In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to submit a feature request to the List Perfectly team. This is really important because if there is any feature that you wish List Perfectly had, if you're working in List Perfectly and you think to yourself, boy, I wish it could do this or it would do that, you can submit these feature requests. The team does review all of the requests that come in and they take them to heart. List Perfectly's team is made up of resellers. The entire company is run by actual resellers. Every single employee in the company, all the way up to the two founders and co-CEOs, Amanda and Clara, are resellers. So they know exactly how this industry works. They know what it's like to own your own small reselling business. They know what it takes. They know how to list. They know all the ins and outs. So when we submit these features and their team reviews them, they understand, they know where we're coming from. They understand why we would request certain things. For instance, when you update your listings using List Perfectly, they have a choice down here to update only specific things on those listings if you didn't want to update the entire listing. For a few months after they implemented this new feature, the SKU line was not an individual choice on this list. Several of us put that in as a feature request, and it was added. Of course, the more popular, the more requested a new feature is, the more likely the team is to start coding and implement that in for us. But it doesn't hurt to ask for any feature that you would like to see. And if you are active in the reselling community and you are in Facebook groups and you know other resellers in the List Perfectly community that use List Perfectly, everybody get on board and everybody go put in a feature request together. How do you put one in? Well, you hover at the top over Help and News, go down to Contact Us, and you can also get here through your extension on your icon on your browser by clicking Contact Us. Both will take you to a similar page where there is a feature request box. You just click feature request and the form will take you through a few questions to fill out in order for you to submit this feature request. So let's say I wanted a cross-posting feature added. I would just check that box. And then down here, I would type the marketplace and feature that I'm requesting. And then you just send it. It's that simple. But don't ever hesitate to put these feature requests in. The majority of them that are put in are seen implemented into List Perfectly.